first na 2026 namin ng punta ng Cebu.
This is Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Funny teacher.
Hi everyone, good morning. Good morning everyone, this is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Today is the first na 2026 namin ng punta ng Cebu. Parang aalis ng... Saan punta?
Uwi na ako.
To the moon, hindi ka na bababalik. Cebu used to be my quote-unquote second home. Dati pag sinasabing punta ng Cebu, normal lang yan. Doon ako nag-aaral, doon ako nag-work, doon ko na-meet si husband. So parang normal na yon. Nang naglipat kami dito sa aming bayan at 3 years na.
Normal na. Normal na.
Parang hindi na normal yung Cebu. Parang kapag-isipan na, may budget ba? Close na naman ang tindahan. Ang number one talaga is may budget ba? Kaya ba? So hindi na yun normal. So today is welcome home to us. Tama ba? Oh, welcome home. Kasi sila mother at saka si father niya is dumating last week from other planet. So, welcome home sa kanila. At si husband na din kasi uuwi din siya. So, welcome home to us. Kasi dito na kami nakatira. So, doon na ang second home. Today is May 19 and we're driving. Today is another close ang tindahan dahil we are going to Cebu. And today is another first time namin na mag via Dipolog kasi yung dating nakasanayan namin na dapitan lang is wala na yung sasakyan out of hindi nila alam kung babalik or whatsoever kasi wala nang schedule. So this will be our first in Dipolog City to Cebu. We decided na dito sa Dipolog kahit medyo may pagkalayo compare doon sa amin kasi yung sa amin pagdadalhin ng sasakyan is almost 17,000, so super mahal. Kung dito sa Dipolog 9,800. Yung last year namin pagpunta 8,000 pa yon. Nag 9,000 lang yun nang dahil sa pagtaas ng gasolina. Time check, it's 8:30 AM. Dapat pumunta kami doon sa Dipolog Port ng maaga before 2 PM para makuha namin yung reservation. Wala pa kasi kaming ticket. And then, ang reservation is hanggang 2 PM lang. Kung wala, di first come first serve kami. Mahirap naman may sasakyan. So, kunin namin doon na kami kukuha na din ng ticket. See you later, guys! So we are now in Dipolog City. Dito lang kami dadaan, Dipolog Airport kasi under construction yung nandun. So Dipolog Airport. Yan. So that is the diversion road. Alternate road. Alternate road pala. Yan, mag-map ta. Magani City Plaza. We're going there. Street lang. Okay, this is Dipolog City. After navigating, we are here in the port of Dipolog. Wait. Full stop. Saan kaya? Tanong tayo. Naugo?
Ano na?
Come to Dipolog Information Center. So, we are here in the port of Dipolog. Hi, I'm here. Libre na driver, libre jusawa, economy accommodation. And then i-upgrade lang namin for tourist. So ilang pesos lang yung magkano, hindi ko pa ano ko na lang kung magkano ang mababayaran namin. And ang alis ng barko is 7 o'clock PM. Oh, natagalan kami saglit sa aming ticket. Buti na lang meron pa kasi reserve lang pa lang sa sakyan. Hindi kasama ang passengers. Since it's still 11:15, ang layo pa, we still have hours. So we will have lunch here at McDo. Hindi na kami nagpapalayo sa pier para hindi kami mawala. Okay. Welcome to McDo. Lunch here at McDo, and then take out na rin kami ng aming for dinner. Wow! I have this Ala King, the orange juice, and the original McFlurry. Husband got the Mac Spice, French fries. Ayan, nasa malayuan pa. So yan din, sasakay din ata to. Ayan, daming sasakay. So we're ready. Busy. Para papasok na kami sa loob. Ayan. Madami pang mga tao dyan, oh. So sa likod ng mga sasakyan nito, marami pang sasakyan. Ayan. 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 Passengers are going. 15. So yan. Yan ang barko namin. 7 ang alis. Ayan, mas maganda. Good Fortune. Our Lady of Good Fortune. Ha? Ilang truck yan? Ilang truck? So, it's an overnight trip, 7 p.m. to mas maaga ngayon. Ayan. Dumaan na tayo sa New Star, Cebu, 4 a.m. plus. It's 5:05 a.m. ang dating namin. We are here now in Pier 3 of Cebu. And then, bababa na kami saglit. Thank you everyone for watching. And this is Tita Barla. See you in my next vlog. If you are new to my channel, please like and comment and subscribe. Bye! Thank you!